Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this outdoor knife sharpener. I've already been using this for about 3 months now, and this is a great sharpener to have to sharpen your garden shears, your outdoor knives, hooks, anything that has a blade to it that you can use this to sharpen it. So let's get into it, and I'll show you all the features it has, how well it works, and I'll give my overall feedback. So this is how the knife sharpener looks. You have a few different sharpening sides. You have a 360, a 600, and then the 1000. And then on this side is right here for the different size bolts. This is a 10, and then the smaller size. It's made out of good material. There's a good handle to it. It feels good in the hand. So these gardening shears, they need to be sharpened. You can see they're not that sharp. So using the 360 first, since that's the coarse one. The 600. Now you can see how sharp the blades are in one shot. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great outdoor knife sharpener. I like how easy it is to sharpen your garden shears and your knives. I also like how it comes with two sides of different sharpening stones, and I also like how it has these bolts right here to tighten or loosen the bolts on your shears, and I also like how it's made very well. So this is a great knife sharpener.